Okay, so this is week of October 5th, activity number 7. These are the directions listed for you. Steps number 1, go to your class link. Step 2, go to brainpop, the one that says Kaiser, because now you're in RJK Middle School. Number 3, type in continents of the world into the search box and watch the video. So I'm also going to create this video to show you exactly how to get to this assignment. So you would go to your class link, and once you're signed in, it will look like this. Mine looks a little bit differently because it's a teacher version. You're going to go to your brain pop. Remember the one that says Kaiser. Once you open that up, in this search box up at the top, you're going to type in continents of the world. Again, that title is written on your Teams page on activity number 7. Now, Continents of the World is going to be the very first video. It's labeled Continents of the World and has the 7 continents in different colors. You're going to press on this and you're going to press play and you're going to watch this video for your assignment. Again, the directions are posted right here on activity number 7.